For many men, hair loss is more than just physical change. It's an emotional journey filled with self-doubt and hesitation. Jay, a 35-year-old Indian man, knew this all too well. Every morning, he stood in front of his mirror, running his hands through his thinning hair, watching his confidence fade like the last rays of sunlight at dusk. The thought of a hair transplant lingered in his mind, but fear held him back. For 5 long years, Jay wrestled with indecision, wrestled with procrastination. He attended multiple consultations the world over with top hair transplant surgeons, always asking the same 2 questions. Will I get a scar? Will my hairline look unnatural? He spent all his time combing through patient testimonials, watching countless YouTube videos, and even met with several people who had undergone the procedure before. Yet when the moment of commitment arrived, anxiety always took over. He backed out not once, not twice, but 5 full times. Fear of an irreversible mistake kept him trapped in hesitation, while his hairline continued to recede, while androgenic alopecia continued to do its job unfailingly. But then one day he knew he had procrastinated enough. Sitting alone in a park one evening, Jay had a realization. It dawned upon him that waiting was only making things worse. His hesitation had already cost him 5 years of his youth, because time waits for no one. Time does not wait for you to make a decision. So he realized that he could either continue to let fear dictate his decisions or take control and restore his confidence. This was the moment of truth for Jay. With renewed determination, Jay booked his consultation with me, and this time he was ready. He reposed his trust in me and my team, knowing fully well that experience and expertise made all the difference. The process began with careful donor harvesting, ensuring that the donor area could be reused for future hair loss requirements. I meticulously designed the hairline that matched his natural contours, integrating naturally with his surrounding hair. Every step was performed with precision, minimizing scarring and maximizing results. One of the biggest concerns in any hair transplant is donor area scarring, and Jay had spent years fearing visible donor area scars, convinced that if they happened, they would be a permanent reminder of his choice, his wrong choice. But what if I told you that with the right technique, scarring could be reduced to an almost undetectable level? And in just a short while, you'll see for yourself just this in Jay's before and after transformation. Stay with me as I break down how modern advancements have made this possible. Using a smaller punch size, varying from 0.7 to 0.9 mm in diameter, ensures that donor sites heal faster, donor sites heal better. Larger punch sizes can leave noticeable scars, making future procedures more difficult. Not only that, they can cause permanent shock loss in the donor area and scar engulfment of surrounding follicles, making them unharvestable due to change in follicular direction. The use of high-powered magnification allows surgeons to extract follicles with precision, avoiding unnecessary trauma to surrounding hair follicles in the donor area. This leads to better healing and a more uniform donor area. Post-operative care plays a crucial role, a vital role in minimizing scarring. I ensured that each and every punch that we made, each and every wound that resulted was properly treated, reducing the chances of hyperpigmentation, reducing the chances of fibrosis and pitting. The hardest part was over for Jay. Now Jay had to be patient and trust the process. But stay with me, because just in a moment, you will see the incredible transformation that made Jay finally believe it was all well worth it. Over the following months, the transplanted hair shed, only to grow back stronger. As time passed, his hairline took shape, revealing a natural, undetectable result. Meanwhile, his donor area healed remarkably well, leaving barely any visible trace of extraction. Today, Jay looks back and wonders, why did he wait so long? His biggest fears never came true because he made the right choices. His hairline looks natural, his donor area remains healthy, remains pristine, and most importantly, his confidence has returned. Jay's journey proves that a hair transplant, if performed by skilled hands, is not just about bringing back lost hair. It's about restoring self-esteem, reclaiming lost years, erasing the scars of the past without leaving new ones in their wake. If you're hesitating like Jay once did, ask yourself this question: how many more years will you wait? The right time to take action is now. A well-performed hair transplant can be natural, lasting, life-changing. And Jay's story is living proof. So book a consultation today and take the first step towards your transformation. Well, thank you for watching. If you have any question about hair transplant, about hair loss treatment for men and women, do let me know. Leave a comment in the comment section below. But if you have any personalized consultation you want to be done, please become a member of the channel and we can take this forward out there. Have a nice day and God bless you.